Okay, so I'm back, and we just did part one of the experiment where we calculated the moment of inertia for a ball, and then we set the ball spinning, and we observed what effect does the moment of inertia have on the rate at which it spins. So you don't need to measure the rate, you just need to look at it and visually note that in some cases it very slowly speeds up, and then in other cases it very quickly speeds up. Alright, now we're going to go to part 2 of the lab. So part 2 is now we're going to calculate the torque. So you really can pick any mass that you want for the ball. But the important thing is the radius. So you're going to initially you'll have a radius of 2 meters, and you set the force to 10 newtons. Calculate what the force or calculate what the torque should be, and then once you press the start button, it's going to calculate the torque for you so that you'll have the actual value, and then you'll have the value that you calculated. And those two numbers should be almost exact. As a matter of fact, I think they will be exact. Okay, then you're going to change the radius and repeat the experiment, and then you're going to change the force and repeat the experiment. So in each case, you're changing one of the variables, and you're observing how that's affecting the torque. Then once you've done that, you're going to answer questions. There's 3 questions this time that you'll need to answer about torque. Then the final part of the lab is part 3, in which we're going to put it all together, in that you're going to calculate the torque, and then you're going to calculate the moment of inertia, and then you're going to take both of those things, so you'll know what the T thing is, you'll know what the I thing is, so then you'll plug it into Newton's second law of motion, and you'll solve it for the angular acceleration. And then once you hit the start button, it will tell you what the angular acceleration was, and then hopefully those two numbers will be the same. Okay, what about the post lab? There's no post lab. Don't worry about it. So I just want you to do the pre-lab, and then do those 3 parts, part 1, part 2, and part 3, and then email it to me. Okay, so good luck, and then if you have any questions about the lab, give me a call or send me an email. Bye.